Welcome to the Hamsi Analytics Daily Market Commentary. I'm Pablo Navarro. Today is Wednesday, May 2nd, 2012. Today's economic data, ADP came at 119,000 and we're expecting 170,000. For the markets, the S&P 500 futures saw a high of the day of 1399.5 and a low of the day of 1389.25. We closed at 1397.5. Today's volume was 1.7 million contracts, in line with the 20-day moving average. For the Nasdaq futures, we saw a high of the day of 27.32 and a low of the day of 27.02.5. We closed at 27.27.5. Today's volume was 220,000 contracts, a little lower than the 20-day moving average of 280,000 contracts. For the market internals, the New York Stock Exchange advanced decline differential closed at negative 398. Nasdaq advanced decline differential closed at 177. There were 28 new 52-week highs for the S&P 500 and 4 new 52-week lows for the S&P 500. Okay, here we have the daily chart for ES. As you can see here, we had a down day. Couple of handles, not bad. After all, we were down almost 6 handles on the pre-market, but they bounced back and came back higher. So the cash session actually was a higher for the day. And we could see that here we are on the positive 1, positive 2 sigma channel, which is good. And the CI continues to be green, which is good. It's also momentum, losing momentum, which is not good, but still we are positive, so that's one thing to take into consideration. On the moving averages, we're still well above the 20 and the 50-day moving average at 1382. So we still want to break the 1400 and make new highs. So that's going to be a real test for the upside if we are able to make new highs and break those highs of the year that we made a month ago or 2 months ago right now. And for gold, as you can see here, we had a down day for gold today again. One positive thing is that we were able to hold the 20-day moving average, which was somewhat positive. We're still looking on the downside. Looks like some consolidation, very tight range here from the 1674 to the 1630 level. We've been going up and down those levels, so trading those levels up and down. We'll see if it breaks to the downside to go to 1600, or if we're able to break higher and go and test those 200-day moving average at 1705. For silver, again, a bad day today. Same happened. We're on the lower range for silver. Looking at the 30 level to break, and then we'll go to maybe test here those 28, 29 levels, and even maybe go back to the 26.5. So the 30 level is critical for silver to hold in order to get some higher prices. Last chart we're looking at is the VIX. As you can see here, the VIX today, not much movement, about 1.5%, still on the range that we've been looking at of the 50-day moving average and the 100-day moving average. We closed almost below or at the 50-day moving average, so we can still say that we're still in that range. As you can see, this range is getting very tight right now. Probably we're gonna see some volatility, either come back down and stay throughout the 15 range, or maybe go higher to the 20 range and then move further up from those levels. So that's what we got right now. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you very much.